kitchen. Today we're going to make eggs Benedict. We're going to start with a Hollandaise sauce. I had frozen butter and I microwaved it and left it a little too long. You're supposed to use cold butter, but it's set for a couple minutes so it's not hot or anything. So I hope it works. This water is coming to a boil, and I'm making a double boiler, so there's boiling water, about this much boiling water, and then we're going to set this bowl on top and cook our Hollandaise sauce. So here I've got 8 tablespoons of butter. We're going to get that into our dish. I'm making a double batch of this Hollandaise sauce. I made some sourdough English muffins this morning, and eggs Benedict is the perfect thing to go with this. Okay, and we need 2 egg yolks. Uh-oh, I already got a shell in there. Okay, there's 1. And there's 2. Here's 4 tablespoons of water we're going to put into our bowl. We're going to put a pinch of salt. My salt is really low in here, so I'm just going to get out what looks like a pinch. And we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use freshly squeezed lemon juice, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use this bottled lemon juice. Okay, and then we're just going to whisk up the stuff in here, our mixture. And we're going to get this over our double boiler. Okay, and then we're just going to continuously mix until our sauce thickens up. And I've got the heat on a medium-high heat. There's some little bubbles coming. And then you just thicken this up as thick as you like. It's starting to thicken up. Okay, it seems pretty thick. So I think we're going to call that good. Okay, our Hollandaise looks good, nice and thick. So we're going to get it into this little container so it can stay warm while we're doing our eggs. There we go. We better taste it. Oh, it's delicious. Really lemony. I think I'm going to put a little tiny bit more salt in here. Oops, I just splashed. It's better with a little bit more salt. That's really good. Now I'm just going to get the lid on this to keep that warm. Okay, now we have a little gentle simmer. Okay, so we're going to get all of our stuff to make our egg. Okay. We're going to crack our egg into this little ramekin. I've got some vinegar here, so I'm going to put a splash of vinegar, and we have a little gentle simmering. Okay, now we're going to just swirl the water. Clockwise, and then we're going to drop our egg in the middle. Okay, and I think I've got to have it a little bit, boiling just a little bit more, so I'm turning it up a little bit. To just under medium. I think I'm going to set my timer for 4 minutes. Okay, there's our timer. Get our egg out. And I'm just going to put it on a paper towel lined little plate. I'm going to get the extra egg whites out of here and cook our second egg. Okay, I'm going to try to swirl this water again. And then we'll drop our egg in. Put our timer for 4 more minutes. And here's our poached egg. It looks pretty good. Turn the heat up to 6. It's looking boil a little bit more. And it's sitting in one spot, so I'm just going to make sure it's not stuck to the bottom. Okay, and it's not, so that's good. Our poached eggs are done, and we've got our freshly toasted sourdough English muffin. These have whole wheat. They're half whole wheat and half all-purpose flour that I made up this morning. And I've got some thinly sliced deli ham here that I'm gonna get. You can fry this up in a skillet if you want to. Today I'm just going to put it straight on to our eggs Benedict. These are pretty thin, so I'm going to put 2 pieces on each half of the English muffin. Okay, and then we're going to put our poached eggs. And some of our Hollandaise sauce. Oops, this is going to be too big to fit in there. We're going to sprinkle some parsley flakes on top so it can look pretty. And here's our delicious Eggs Benedict. And now for the taste test. Oops. At 4 minutes, it's kind of still jammy inside, but not running everywhere. So you can cook your eggs, poach your eggs for how long you want to. Here we go. It's so delicious. I love Hollandaise sauce. It's got that lemon. Such a great sauce. It's delicious. I can't wait to put it over our garden asparagus this summer. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.